Welcome to this episode of Tech Nostalgia, where we dive deep into the realms of retro computing and the spirit of innovation. Today we're exploring an intriguing project called Connomore64, a real-time cycle-exact emulator of the legendary Commodore 64, driven by multiple microcontrollers. So picture this. Your childhood memories of endless gaming sessions on the C64 are brought back to life with modern tech. But how? Well, Connomore64 aims to create a near-perfect recreation of the C64 using not one, but several low-cost RP2040 and RP2350 microcontrollers. Each chip costs less than €1, and they're interconnected through an 8-bit bus running at approximately 8 MHz. Fancy that. But why embark on this ambitious journey? It all started as a holiday project during Christmas 2022, when the creator wondered how long could it really take to port an existing C64 emulator to a 400 MHz ARM platform. Spoiler alert, it turns out a single 400 MHz core just doesn't cut it when you're aiming for cycle-accurate emulation. The initial emulators out there took shortcuts, like not fully emulating the MOS6510 CPU or the VIC-2 video chip, leading to compromised compatibility. And while PC-based emulators offer great quality, they lack that real-time timing you need to connect original retro hardware, like the C1571 floppy drives. On the other hand, FPGA-based solutions deliver high fidelity, but they can be expensive and rigid. The Connomore64 is striking a balance here, maintaining an affordable and hackable approach without losing accuracy. The development of Connomore64 draws inspiration from existing projects like the RP2040JS emulator by Yuri Shakht, allowing for rich emulation of the C64 without heavy-handed debugging tools or logic analyzers. Imagine running complex software on these interconnected microcontrollers while still keeping the nostalgia alive. In addition, the project has made some impressive technical leaps. It's optimized the VIC-2 video chip code, allowing for speedier rendering, up to 10 times faster in some cases. That means smoother graphics and lightning-fast operations. Oh, and the custom board that fits neatly in a C64 case comes with all the nostalgic ports, IEC, user port, joystick ports, plus a modern HDMI output to connect with contemporary displays. How cool is that? Now, of course, there are some challenges ahead. Currently, only the CPU half of each C64 cycle is emulated, which could limit the compatibility with certain expansion cartridges. But that's not stopping the progress. There are plans to work on expanding firmware support in the future. So, if you grew up with a Commodore 64 or you've heard tales of its glory, Connomore 64 is not just another emulator, but a living tribute to a bygone era, melding the old with the new. As the project moves toward a possible open-source release, it invites contributions from fellow enthusiasts. How amazing would it be to unite people over this nostalgic technology while fostering creative innovations? As we wrap up, I'm left pondering, what does the revival of retro technology like this say about our connection to the past? And how might projects like Connomore64 open doors for new generations to discover these classic systems? Thank you for tuning in to this exploration of Connomore64. Until next time, keep dreaming about the tech of yesterday and how it shapes the innovations of tomorrow.